Moving on to this back row now. Tons of debris under these seats in the footwell area. This stuff is obviously built up over time. Seems like these back seats get a lot of use. I did not expect this. Some of you guys might recognize this car. This is actually one of the first cars I've detailed and put it up on this channel. One of my first videos. So if you want, you can go back and watch that and see just how far I've come. My editing and even my work ethic and stuff like that, everything has drastically changed, and it's really cool to see. I think I'm on my 3rd or 4th year of detailing and my 3rd year of making videos. So, thank you guys for supporting me. Hope you guys enjoy my content, and I hope you learned something. It's very labor intensive trying to get all of these seat rails and things like that, but with my toothbrush it's pretty quick work. Put medium pressure, go work in different varying directions, like do a little crisscross pattern.